Hello guys, very warm welcome to all of you. So Silan Software introduces a topic called business intelligence, wherein you will learn about the how of any analytical business capabilities and do some groundwork over your business. So let me tell you about what is business intelligence and its effect on any business. So let me take you through the slide. So what does the slide represents? Business intelligence refers to the process of collecting, analyzing and presenting data and information to support decision making in any organization. So what do you mean by collecting data? So in order to answer any research question, we need to first collect the data. So why do you need to collect the data? For collecting the data, we need some resources. That resources will come from the SQL server or any kind of server or from online business web pages. So herein you will use some tools to collect the data. After collecting the data, we need to analyze the data. So why do we need to analyze the data? So in order to analyze the data, we need some insights from the data. So this is called information. So data is well known for its capabilities of describing some information about the data. So next is to present the data. So in order to present the data, we need to first analyze that. So after analyzing, we need to present the data. In the presentation, we need to show how the business has grown over the years or months or weekly. So it is better to understand the data in its form, and the information should be laid out in a very beautiful way to describe its outcome. After presenting the data, we need to make some decisions. So it is the sole responsibility of the stakeholders to make some decisions about the data and make an impactful decision so that the business will grow. Otherwise, there will be some impactful work which we need to do in the presenting the data. So the goal of the business intelligence is to provide insights into the performance of organization, including its strengths and weaknesses, opportunities and threats, trends and patterns. BI tools and techniques include data mining, data warehousing, dashboard reporting and business analytics. After reporting the dashboard, we need some business analytics to handle the problems. Okay. BI can help businesses to identify areas of opportunities, optimize processes and make informed decisions based on data-driven insights. It can be used in various industries including finance, healthcare, retail and manufacturing. BI can also help organizations to monitor and measure their key performance indicators. So what do you mean by key performance indicators? Key performance indicators means in order to find the revenue of a business, we need to show the data in some card, or you can say that we need to just focus on the data of the revenue. That is called key performance indicators and track the progress towards their goals. With the help of business intelligence, business can gain a competitive advantage by making better decisions faster and with more confidence. So let me end here. Thank you.